My name's Lori Nadeau, and I am the founder and creator of Smokin Mary Bloody Mary Mix. The first 2 years, I decided that I wanted to get out in front of consumers because I figured that was the most effective way to get into the mouths of people, because my product is very much a specialty product. Even though it's a Bloody Mary mix, it's different. Now I'm at the point where it's like, okay, now let's hit industry. So this is, by far one of the best for hitting the industry people and getting it into their mouths. The ways that the specialty food has helped me to grow my business was really with all the education, all the classes, and then the collaboration with a lot of the other members to help me really understand what I need to know as the baseline, and then the steps from baseline up to get into a position of growth. So one of the things I'm really looking forward to at the Winter Fancy Food Show, I'm looking forward to getting out and introducing my product to the buyers and industry experts that really know good specialty gourmet foods. And I feel like that's where I'm gonna find them, is at this event for sure. I'm looking forward to talking about all the different ways they can use my product, because it's not just for a cocktail. It's very versatile. We cook with it a lot. And I'm so looking forward to introducing it and with all the versatility that it does have.